We're back out here today with the Samurai, and well, I want to put a new muffler on it. It's got what they call a turbo muffler, and well, it's quiet. I like it, but it's kind of restrictive too, in a sense, you know. So I want to take it out. And I have something a little more aggressive to go in. And yeah, let's take a look at that. So I have a Cherry Bomb M80 that's gonna go inside the Samurai. I've had it for a while, and well, I think I'll go ahead and put it in now. I don't know if this really will affect how it runs. That turbo muffler might be just giving it too much back pressure. Might be filled up with soot. I don't know. But it seemed to run good when it was straight pipe, but it was just too loud. So now I'm going to put in the Cherry Bomb M80. It's actually like a 2-chamber exhaust, but it looks like a glass pack. Here's a little closer look at it. Got it down from the shelf. As you can see, it's got chambers. It's like a 2-chamber exhaust, or maybe 3-chamber exhaust. I don't know how you want to look at it. And there's a little bit of information on it. Sizes right there. And take a look at it. It's pretty nice. I like it. So, Cherry Bomb. I've used Cherry Bombs on here before. I like them. Seem to be quality exhaust for what they are. I haven't had any trouble with them rusting out or breaking, or the welds breaking on them or anything. I mean, I've had them in cars for a long time. In fact, the Frontier had one for many years, and it was actually the one I took off of the Samurai that it was running for a long time before it got the Flowmaster that it has. So that muffler, probably before we replaced it, it got a hole in it. It was probably close to 10 years old. So that's pretty good use, I guess, out of a muffler. So yeah, let's get the other one cut out, get this one sized up to go in. All right. So I have the muffler cut off now. This piece, I guess the mountain bolt had come out of it, so it kind of dropped down. That's no problem. I got another bolt I'll put in there, and that'll secure that piece up there. And I'm gonna weld the new muffler to this anyway, and I'll weld it to that up there. But hey, let's give it a startup with the muffler off and cut right there. That might be kind of cool. Alright, so that was the startup without the muffler. It actually started a little easier. I think that muffler does have some back pressure issues. The diesel doesn't like it, but I ran it for quite some time, so now we're gonna go free flow. Yeah, let me get that cleaned up and get the new one ready to weld on. Got the muffler all up there and welded in. Excuse the welds, they're not my best, but hey, it works. Lots of room, frame clearance all over. Looks good. Cherry Bomb, directional flow. Oh, let me see that. Directional flow, yeah, it doesn't matter. Anyway, the exhaust is in. Had to re-angle the tip a little bit to get it to go right. Now let's start it up and see how it sounds. Place you on a tripod on the ground. Alright, so there you go. Started up. It's idling a little bit high. I need to bring the idle down. But the install is complete. I like the sound of it. The Samurai seems to perform a little better. A little more responsive on the pedal. So that was the install of the M80 Cherry Bomb muffler. Here we go. This kind of gives an example of the mufflers they have. And this one, however, is not listed here. But if you were to compare this one to any of these other mufflers, this has 3 chambers, so it would be between an Extreme, which is what I used to use, and a Pro, which is what I use on the Silverado. It'd be kind of in between those two. So yeah, sounds good. Seems to like it. It runs a little better. And I'm gonna take it for a quick drive right now. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Not a dirty one like this one, but a clean thumbs up. And if you give it a thumbs down, hey, leave a comment telling me why you gave it a thumbs down. I've had this muffler for a while. As you can tell, the box is pretty dirty. It's been sitting up on a shelf in the garage. And it was a good, clean install. So yeah. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time.